Hi guys, Miata Man here. Today we've got a little bit of winter maintenance going on, and what I'm doing at the moment is getting all of this, all the leaves and mud and all the other stuff out of the front fenders. So if you look in there right now, there's a great big gap where stuff can get in, and it all falls in through the windshield cowl. And over time, if you don't pay attention to it, you can get a lot of sand and mud and all kinds of things that'll rust out your fenders. And you want to definitely make sure you keep this clean. So the easy way to get at it is open the door and go in through that opening here. Now I've cleaned this one out already. I used this here, which is safe to use. It's a nice rounded end on it. It's not sharp in any way. And it's actually a paint roller. But it's the right length and everything. I was able to get in there and break up all the hardened things and pull it all out, and then use the shop vac to finish the job and just suck up all the loose debris afterwards. So as you can tell, it's fantastic in there, and I didn't have to take anything apart in order to get to it. Let's go have a look at the other side. So I haven't done this side yet, and I'll zoom you in here. Now this is a very clean car to begin with, so we've just got, we haven't got the usual amount of sand and mud in there, but we've got a lot of leaves, and as you can see, it's all stacked up at the front of that fender. So my next step is to do this side, and we'll clean that out and pull it all out of there, and then vacuum it up. And it'll be perfect, nice and clean, and everything will drain well. And the other way you can do this, if you just want to get in there with the hose, you could blast the hose in there and try and backwash all this out. But the method I've just used today seems to work just as well, if not better, and we're not getting water everywhere. So there you go, guys. I hope that's helpful. Be sure to check your inner fender wells in your front of your Miata, and that's the place you want to get to it from, right at the bottom there. And you should be able to fit the nozzle of the vacuum in there as well. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.